welcome to our vlog.
So we are here at Central House of former President
Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
here in Boroon, Iligan City. Let's go!
So once we enter the gate, we can see here the Macapagal Ancestral House. And this house was built around 1950 with wood and concrete. And it was declared a heritage house by the National Historical Institution on August 14, 2002. And did you know that this is the first house in the Philippines where two presidents, which is Diosdado Macapagal and his daughter Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, once lived, that making an important symbol of Philippine political history.
So makita na to, besides the house, napod tayo makita nga Gloria Macapagal Arroyo's lighthouse. So let's take a closer look. So this is where she used to play as a kid. So guys, also na place or spot there na pwede ninyo ma-picturean like ganito. So, may nakabitang direct I love Iligan and also Rita Aliane. Naaduri si Diosdado Macapagal ang si Gloria Macapagal. So ano nga sila ka na father and daughter kayo na bonding ba kayo? Like, nag-play, ano ba? Grabe. Family. Mao yung figure or like statue nila, no? Like, may imagine ninyo nga naa sila ga dula dire sa una. Grabe kayo, wow. Super wow. Bye. Nag-video ka? So, nata diri sulod sa balay ni Morning office ni Diosdado Macapagal. So, gusto dalan siya og picture na diri sa like nagtabang siya sa community, sa iyang mga people sa una, and then diri sa other side kay same gyapon, which is nagkuan siya o nag-help siya sa mga tao.
So karon guys, kinusaka to sa ilang second floor. So dali pagsaka pa lang nimo sa dinan kay makita na nimo ang gihatag sa Muslim friends nila Ferdinand Macapagal. Ben Kajaya.
100, 300, 400, 500,
600.
700.
150. Ang kulang.
Hindi po ito. Makakita, maglasit ka pa dito. We are vlogging. Luya sa dami niya guys. Oy.
Are you liking this song so far? If so, this opportunity maybe for you, maybe for you, maybe for you, you.
Muli kong balikan dahil ipinangako din ako iibig sa puso ko di ka mapapalitan.
Isip ko kung